Hello, Colettes, for card number 1. Itong card na to represents alignment, reality, clarity, lack of purpose, illusion, and too many choices kaya nagkakaroon ka ng confusion and delusion. What you need to do right now is pay attention sa mga plano mo, both the real world and your visions. Sometimes you have to take action para ma-ensure na yung plans mo will become a reality. Hindi tayo pwedeng nakasit idle lang and expect things to manifest on their own. Evaluate natin yung options natin closely and wisely to ensure the best outcome. And meron din tayong feeling of being stubborn. Minsan obsessed din with wealth and status. Ito yung nagkakaroon tayo ng financial question sa sarili natin if we will be able to make it. Well, sa ngayon, you have to be confident and stay focused to be successful. Maraming opportunity na makakapagpa-attract at makakapag-manage ng success mo. Alam naman natin na sa sarili natin, we've already managed or achieved things na alam natin na na-reach na natin yung goal natin, pero meron pa tayong hinahanap. So, ibig sabihin yan, we have to refocus. Tsaka, look for option kung saan mas magpa-prosper ba yung plans mo. All you need to do now is sit back and enjoy the fruits of your labor once na nag-refocus ka na. Sa love relationship and union naman, minsan nararamdaman natin na you are still your shadow self. Misalignment ba ng partnership, detachment, and ang fear of commitment. Yung mga ganitong sitwasyon kasi, choice mo yan of who to love at kung sino yung taong papapasukin mo sa buhay mo. Etong mga bagay na to should not be made or should not be taken lightly kasi ito na yung makakasama mo in the future. There, all you need to do for now is to start loving yourself. Kasi totoo ito Minsan, how can you be truly loved by someone kung ikaw mismo sa sarili mo kulang? Siguro magkaroon ka ng reflection, magkaroon ka ng self-love, na parang magkaroon ka man lang ng konting value sa sarili mo, na parang you've been taking care of others, na nakakalimutan mo ng yung sarili mo kasi puro na lang pagpapasaya sa kanilang ginagawa mo na magugulat ka na lang isang araw, ubos ka na. So ngayon, simulan mong mahalin ang sarili mo kasi it will strengthen also your value, your choices, deep love and partnership in the future. Okay? So that's it for card number 1, Colettes. Stay safe, be blessed, and namaste.